Meaning of destabilize.
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 Destabilize. The term destabilize refers to the act of causing something to become unstable or unsteady. It is commonly used to describe actions or events that upset the balance of a system, organization, or society, resulting in chaos or turmoil. The effects of destabilization can vary widely depending on the context, but may include political unrest, economic instability, or environmental damage. Ultimately, destabilization can lead to significant social and economic consequences, making it a serious concern for governments, businesses, and individuals alike.